Hello everyone, George is here. Today I am gonna to make you a sauce called tzatziki. It's a traditional Greek dip. So you can serve it with fried potatoes, fried chicken, and with many others type of meat like red meat, beef, goat, lamb, poultry, chicken, turkey, and like fish, seafoods like fishes, crabs, lobsters, and many others foods for make it. You can make it also with toast, if you eat toast, with salam, cheese. You put the tzatziki and the food is completed, you know. Okay, I hope you all well, because on these times to be well is a little bit difficult for many situations that we live in our lives. Okay, so I am going to make now this recipe for see how I can make it, and it's very tasty, very easy to make it, is fabulous. You wanna see, guys? Okay, let's get started. So for these recipes you want only 3 ingredients: yogurt, garlic, onion, 4 ingredients, and this paper. You can replace the paper with anguri. You can search on Google to see what I say to you. And with only these 4 ingredients, you make the best sauce ever. You're gonna love it, guys. Let's get started. Okay, the process is very simple. You take these 2 garlics. You can put 4 garlics if you want. She do it very better taste. But I use 2 now. Okay, I chop this. After this, you can't kiss your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Okay. Because your mouth is smelling very tasty with this recipe. We chop now my onion. Okay. I chop it. I chop it again little more. Okay. I chop my pepper. Okay. I have cleaned my pepper, my garlic, and my onions, of course. I don't show you the process of cleaning these ingredients because you are gonna to be boring and not give me a like, you know. Okay, I chop it. Very nice. Okay, now what I'm doing, guys? I take this bowl. I put here the knives. Okay. Now what I'm doing? I put all my ingredients on here. Very beautiful. Look this color, guys and girls. Very beautiful, huh? You will see the final product. If you're gonna to make it, what taste they're gonna to have. Okay. I put now 2 scoops of yogurt inside. Okay. Okay, too much because I'm gonna to eat it alone. I don't wanna to make very much. If you want to make a big, if you want to make it and you want to keep it, you can store it on your fridge for about 3 days to 4 days. Okay, guys? Okay. I blend it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. I put inside my virgin oil, only virgin oil. If you put other oil, the recipes doesn't work. I put my salt because you want the salt. Okay, very nice. I put it again here the cup. I close it and I blend again. Sorry for the noise now. Okay, very beautiful. Now we see this product. Okay, we want to put a little bit water for blend it a little bit better, but we want these chops. We don't want to be like sauce. We want to have something on here, the onions, the pepper, the garlic, to fill it on. Okay, now I put a little bit of water. You see now, like this, not too much. Okay, I close it with the cup. Okay. Okay, now I blend it. Okay guys, the miracle is ready. Let's give it a try. Okay, let's give it a try now. Fabulous guys, you have to try it. Believe me, it's only 4 ingredients. You're gonna to make it on 2 minutes max. And when you have make it, you have to store it inside the fridge. No outside the fridge, because they are gonna to go wrong, you know. Oh my god, I can eat it and like this, with nothing to serve it. It's very healthy, it's not have calories. Okay, you don't have to eat all this in one day. 2 scoops with a small like this. You put 3 like this on your food. No calories, to give you extra flavor, and it's very tasty. That's it for me, guys and ladies. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, you know what to do. Foresee it more people and make another human happy, you know, and make me too happy for make something extra for my life, and don't do bad things for make money, you know. Okay, bye bye.